guys, how's everyone doing today? So today I want to bring you a video. I've done one of these similar before, but if you're new to the channel, I thought it'd be really helpful to show you why it's so important to stay up on the maintenance on these cars. Cars nowadays is pretty basic, the standard maintenance you need to do, but a lot of times it gets overlooked. And it's those little things that you are not really paying attention to that make a big difference in the performance, and especially like the gas mileage on these cars, because they're so precise that any little restriction, something like that, can really throw it off. So I want to share with you what I just picked up. This is an air filter for the engine. They're very cheap. Pretty much you can get any air filter will work. This one by Wix, here's the item number if you want to pick this one up on Amazon, but they shouldn't cost you more than 20 bucks. And I like to change it every 6 months just because the cost that it is for one of these things, it makes a big difference. You know, any kind of dirt on your filter will definitely reduce the performance, and better yet, the gas mileage. So this one's really basic, and the TLX has these clips here that you just pull down. If you're not familiar with these, most Honda and Acura products have this. And then once you clip those, this just has ears that it slides under. So you just lift up on this part, tilt it, and then you pull toward the right of the car to pull it out of the little ears that it has. It's really basic. Some have snaps on all four corners, but this one does not. So I want to show you, and this filter is not even that old, and I'll show you the importance of getting it changed a lot. So once this comes out, you can just kind of hold it up here and slide the filter out. You check how dirty that one is, and this one only has 9,000 miles on it. So imagine if you're putting 20,000 miles a year on it, less than half a year, so say 5 months, it'll look probably worse than this. And that's if I don't even drive in dusty conditions either. And look how dirty it is. And there's debris caught in there. So like I said, it's an easy thing to replace. And it does make a big difference. A lot of people just drive it. They'll drive their car, don't even open the hood and check it. But this is only 9,000 miles. So if you're driving a lot, like I don't drive a lot, but if you guys drive a lot, replace this at least twice a year. It's so easy to do. And like I said, your engine will breathe better, less restriction, and ultimately all that means is better fuel economy for you. And here's the new one here. Like I said, I like putting a note on my phone so I know the date and the mileage that I replaced it. But you just look, there's a correct way to put these on. So you just kind of pay attention when you take the old one out, and the new one should fit right in place. And the Wix is a good brand, goes right in. But if you're using a K&N or Fram or anything like that, they're all basically a good fitting filter in these housings. So that's how the Wix fits in there. And the main thing you want to make sure is that it's not pinched. So you want to make sure it sits down flat in the bottom part of this housing, and that the ears go inside the little groove for them. Easy. If you're having to fight with it, check the filter, because it could be pinched on one side, and then you'd allow junk to get through the little cracks. So just, that's the main thing I could say. Make sure it's all securely in there, and that the ears go underneath the little tab you'll see, and then you just push it all the way back, and then you push down on the front, and then these little clips just lift right back on top. So it's really basic. And then you want to check it like that, make sure it's really secure. You won't get any engine lights, nothing like that, as long as you got it set back in there right. And like I said, I was surprised how dirty this was, because I don't drive down dusty roads, nothing like that. That's just some freeway driving, just city. So it's definitely something you want to check. If you haven't checked it in like 6 months or so, I would definitely go check yours and go to Amazon. Like I said, you don't need to get no name brand one, just any filter, and just replace it on a regular basis, and it'll protect your car, protect your engine, and help you get better fuel economy. So again, I just want to bring that to you guys' attention. If you haven't checked it, I would highly recommend it. It's something very basic anybody can do. And it does, like I said, these little things make a big difference in how your car drives, and more importantly, how your car will last for years down the road. It's these small things you do they will help the longevity of your car, the engine, all that kind of stuff. So I'm a huge advocate of doing this kind of stuff, at least checking this and the cabin air filter, just getting them done on a regular basis so your car can run in tip-top shape. And it'll save you guys some money down the road too. So just want to bring that information for you guys. Hope everyone's having a good day out there, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks again, everybody.